Hey guys, this is Travon Smoothtech here with the review of the iHome keyboard that I picked up for the iPad. I did an unboxing of it, and I used this yesterday all during while I was in class. I was in class for 4 hours, and the keys are just really small here. Just to type, when I'm typing, I can hit 2 keys with one finger because the keys are just so small. Also, the keyboard is pretty cramped, and it just makes for a really bad typing experience, especially if you're like me and you do a lot of typing in class and emailing your teacher right then and there. I do that all the time, and just this keyboard is really bad. I would not recommend buying it. If you didn't watch my unboxing, this keyboard is $49.99 at Walmart, and it is not a good buy. The battery in here is a built-in lithium-ion battery, which does last 30 hours, and that is amazing. Since I've used this, I have not had to charge it a single time, and it is amazing with the battery life. However, I just can't get over how small it is and how the typing is really cramped. And build quality has been excellent. Portability has been excellent. The only thing that is wrong with this keyboard is the battery size. So with that said, I would rate this a solid 4 out of 10, just because your main use and your main goal is to type on this, and since I can't do it, then it's no point of getting the keyboard. So once again, this is Travon Smoothtech here with the real review for the iHome keyboard for the iPad, iPhone, Android computer, any external device that has Bluetooth compatibility. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.